In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily sync Trello and Asana with automated two-way updates, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable two-way sync so updates in one tool automatically appear in the other, keeping everyone aligned without manual copy-paste. First, choose a dedicated integration platform, such as Unito. The key is to pick a provider that supports true two-way syncing, not just one-off zaps. Look for features like flexible field mapping, filters, and conflict handling so you can fine-tune what moves between Trello and Asana. Next, sign in and securely connect your Trello and Asana accounts to the platform. You'll typically use OAuth, which lets you grant access without sharing passwords. Make sure you select the correct Trello workspace and board and the right Asana organization and project. If you don't see them, check your permissions or ask an admin to grant access. Now start a new automation and select Trello and Asana as your apps. Choose exactly which Trello board you want to sync with which Asana project. If you can, start with a test board and a test project so you can experiment safely before going live with your main workspace. Define your flow and set rules to control what gets synced. And decide whether you want a full two-way sync or directional rules for certain fields. Use filters so only relevant work items pass through, maybe just cards in a specific Trello list or tasks with a certain tag in Asana. You can also choose when items are created across tools and how completed or archived items should behave. Keep your rules focused to avoid noise. Match Trello fields to their corresponding Asana fields. Map the card title to the task name, description to description, due date to due date, and labels to tags or custom fields. Map members to the task assignee, noting Asana typically allows one assignee per task. If your tool supports it, connect Trello checklists to Asana subtasks and sync comments and attachments so conversations stay in context. Set the direction for each field, two-way for details that should stay aligned, one-way for fields you want locked from one side. Finally, activate your flow to start the two-way sync. Watch the initial run and spot check a few items in both tools. Make a small edit in one app to confirm it appears correctly in the other. If something looks off, pause the flow, adjust rules or mappings, and resume. Once it's stable, communicate the new process to your team and periodically review the sync to keep it tidy as your workflow evolves.